guys, my name is Pooja and welcome back to my channel. So this is a channel where I will be sharing different product reviews, different unboxing videos and other videos that will surely make your day. So today we are back with a second video, and in this video I will be sharing the most important part of a skincare routine. So what is a skincare routine? A skincare routine usually involves different steps that a person does to make his or her skin more rejuvenating, more glowing, more youthful, and by having a proper skincare routine, you can actually cut down aging. So, like everyone knows, aging comes with wrinkles, dark skin, dark patches, dark circles around your eyes. So, to cut down all this, it is very important for a person to have a good skincare routine. The skincare routine is usually of two types, a morning routine and a night routine. Morning routine, as the name suggests, is done when you just wake up or after you just have taken a bath, and a night skincare routine is just done before you hit the bed. Both your skincare routines are equally important and both have their its own benefits. Okay, a morning skincare routine will protect you from all the dust, chemicals, particles, pollution throughout the day. Whereas a night skincare routine will heal your skin. The amount of things that we consume every day or the diet which we eat, all these things strongly impacts your skin. Okay, so it is a common thing that you are what you eat. So in case you are just trying to get a good skin or you're just motivating yourself to eat healthy, so it is a good thing that you are doing so. It really impacts your skin. In order to make your skin more glowing and youthful, it is very important to choose the right kind of products and also to eat the right kind of things. So, talking about products, a normal basic skincare routine with basic items includes three main steps, that is cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. So, to begin with, cleansing is usually done to just get rid of all the oiliness, all the dirt, all the dust that is stored in your pores. Our skin is totally made of pores and it has small little tiny pores on all over the surface. Okay, so when the dirt or when the pollution gets trapped in these pores, it can lead to cloggage and eventually will result in pimples, acne, dark circles, dark patches, wrinkles, pits around your skin. In order to heal, in order to make them clean, it is very important to do cleansing. You can follow a cleansing routine as per your requirement or as per your skin type. So, like for oily skin, since I am having an oily skin, so I'll be sharing tips that will surely help any girl with oily skin. Okay, so oily skin is the most, difficult kind of skin, what I feel, because we are like the people with oily skin are more prone to acne and acne pits, acne scars, dark spots, like the spots which occurs on our skin, they penetrate so deep inside that it becomes nearly impossible for a person to get rid of them. So it is very important to clean your skin before you go to bed and to make sure that you are having a healthy skin. The next step is toning. Okay, so for toning we use a toner or some people can also use astringent. Both are having a similar watery consistency, but the main difference between a toner and an astringent is of its composition. Toners are usually alcohol free and astringents are made up of alcohol. So it is not harmful for your skin, but as I said, that people with oily skin are more prone to acne and everything. So it is very important for such people to go for a water-based toner and avoid toners that contains alcohol. Instead of alcohol, people with oily skin can use toners that are made up of witch hazel. So it is also a type of material which contains alcohol but in lesser amount, and that alcohol is essential for your skin. So toner is usually used to balance the pH level of your skin. If your skin is more acidic or more basic, you are very prone to acne. Okay, and to avoid that, it is very essential to have a good toner. So the toner which I use for my skin, for my personal use, is this. This is first let me show you the packaging. Is this packaging? This is a bigger bottle, so it comes with a spray packaging. Okay, so it is an aromatic toner from Aroma Magic. Okay, so it it is clearly mentioned over here. I don't know if you can see, it is clearly mentioned that it is specially made for oily skin and it will tighten your pores. So look what happens when your pores are open. They can accumulate any amount of dust, pollution or dirt. Fine. Any open part of your body is more prone to dirt as compared to a closed part. Okay, so people with oily skin, they have enlarged pores. Their pores are bigger than the normal skin. So as you can see that I do have some big pores over here, over my T-zone and over my forehead. So to get rid of all this, it is very, very important for a person to add toner to his skincare routine. So it first let's go by its price and quantity. So as I said, this is a bigger bottle. It is of 200 mls, and I have used this. This is my second purchase. I opted for a 100 ml bottle just for a trial, and that 100 ml bottle doesn't have this spray packaging. It comes with a dropper. So in that case, you can use it on a cotton ball, or you can even use it on a cleansing pad or makeup pad that every girl uses. So you can use that and just pour a little amount on that cleaning pad or makeup file and just dab it all over your face. Okay, but in our case we have a spray bottle, and okay, the price of this bottle is rupees 195, but you can easily get it around 140 or 150 for 200 ml, which is very, very affordable for this price. Okay, and for that 100 ml bottle, it will cost you around 90 to 100 for that 100 ml packaging. So it's your choice if you straight away want to opt for this bottle or you want to try it on that 100 ml packaging. So let's move further. The bottle states that it is 100% alcohol free, paraben free, petrochemical free, phtalates free, artificial fragrance and color free. So this is just everything a girl wants. So as you can see, it's completely transparent. Okay, it is just like a water. But okay, so toner is just like a normal water that you usually drink. But this water contains more oxygen, more antioxidants, more hydrogen that are very effective and that are very useful for your skin. When your skin will get more oxygen, more antioxidants, it will remain younger and beautiful throughout your life. So let's try and see how it works. So first of all, we'll open the cap and try to avoid it near your eyes, because sometimes due to sensitivity, your eyes might feel itchy or you might feel uncomfortable. Okay, so just hold it from a distance so that the spray can spread evenly your face. Okay, and let us just try this. Okay, so I have sprayed 4 pumps and just clean your hands before applying it on your face so that dirt from your hand doesn't touch your face. Okay, so now just dab it on your face like this. Don't just drag it, just dab it around your face, your neck, your, so that it becomes very easy for your skin to absorb it. And okay, so this is done. And okay, so we will keep it like this for around 30 to 40 seconds and let the toner set in your skin. So basically what happens when your skin is dry and you try to put any cream or any lotion on it, okay, versus the second option when your skin is little bit wet like mine is, and now if I try to apply any moisturizer or any cream or any serum on it, there is a higher penetration rate, which means your skin will absorb more product in the same quantity. So that is the best thing, this will make your product more affordable. You can easily use the same product for a longer period. So yeah, and also it will help your product to spread evenly. So if after applying toner, my pores, my skin, and the area on which I have applied it, the pores in that particular area are closed. Okay, so we will just allow the toner and just dab it like this for 10 to 15 seconds or for 30 seconds, and this will allow the toner to set in beautifully. And after that you will surely see a little bit glow over my face. I don't know if you can or not, but there is a slight glow on my face due to the toner. So now if I will apply any foundation, any serum, any cream or even any essential oil, it will penetrate smoothly and it will go more deeper into my skin. Okay, so our skin is made up of layers. Our skin has different layers beneath, and when we apply any product on dry skin, it it only covers the top layers. But when our skin is a little bit wet and or the pores are closed, so there is higher chances that the product will go more deeper. So, in my opinion, the toner is perfect, affordable, and it is very, very good for oily skin. And I assure you, the moment you will apply, you'll yourself feel that your pores are becoming tight, your skin is just becoming, calm. And the most important part of this toner is that it don't have any pungent smell. Like the smell will never irritate your nose. It has a light uh, rosy smell, and you can even say the smell of a peppermint oil. And you will combine both these smells, so this is the thing you will get. And in order to use it properly, I will suggest that people with oily skin should use it twice a day, in the morning and at night before you go to bed. And after using this, and when you see that it has completely settled in your skin, seal your face with a proper night cream or a gel based formulation. So, because people with oily skin are more prone to acne and pimples, it is very, very important for them to choose product according to their skin. So, what is my recommendation? That is that you should always go for a gel based or a water based product for your skin. This will make your skin more healthy and it will not heavy your skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. So please, I'm also sharing the purchase link in the description below. So if you really want to know more about it, you can always share your comments or your feedback and your requests in the comments. So in order to, I will be waiting for your feedback, and do share with me how it works for your skin, because it works miraculously wonderful for my skin, I assure it. So on a scale of 10, if we are going to rate this product, it would be 10 on 10 for sure. And I'll be showing you the packaging again. This is the packaging with two flowers on it, and here it is written Aroma Magic Toner for oily skin, and behind is the product composition, directions for use, and directions clearly state that you just have to spray it on your face or on a cotton pad and then tap it on your face. But make sure you don't drag anything on your face. Just dab it with your finger, or for a better option, take a cotton pad or a cotton ball. Just loose cotton ball, and you will surely see the difference. Okay, so I'll be sharing the price again, that it is 195 rupees for 200 ml packaging, but you can easily get it for 140, 150, and easily you can get it for 90, 200 for a 100 ml packaging. Also, it has 3 years of shelf life, which is very economical, affordable, and at the same time, your value to your money. So that's it for this video. I'll be waiting for your comments and your reviews on this. Please do share your video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.